How to fix devices not connecting to iPhone hotspot. So the first step is to make sure that your personal hotspot is turned on. So as you can see, if you go to your settings and then under mobile service, you have personal hotspot. So if you're trying to make a hotspot for someone else, you're gonna have to make sure that you have this enabled. And as you can see, I can't enable it because I'm connected to a Wi-Fi network. So you're gonna have to simply disable the Wi-Fi and then enable your mobile data, and then you're gonna be able to turn on your personal hotspot. Now, if they can't connect to it, what you're gonna have to do is simply restart your phone and the person that tries to connect the phone too. So after you restart your phone and you try again to connect it, and if it still doesn't work, what you're gonna have to do is simply scroll down to general, then simply scroll down again and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on reset, and then here simply tap on reset network settings, and basically that should be it. So basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.